I don't know all my haters, but I got a lot of them. And I think about all these motherfuckers while things get hard. I'm like, whoever it is out there can be very happy if I just don't stay hard. I stay hard to make sure that them motherfuckers hate me even more. By me staying hard, I make their day that much worse. They are the ones that make me an animal. They make me animalistic because I know something deep inside them wants me to fail. And I'm going to do my damnedest to see you suffer as I succeed.
When you dream big, when you take big action, when you work to become something bigger than what it is now, you're going to have people criticize you. The people that should believe in you, that should encourage you, that should help you, are the same people who are telling you, man, you're dreaming big. Man, you're doing, why are you trying to do this? Why do you want to do that? Why is this so important to you? And a million other fucking things people could say, guys. Those are good indicators that you're moving the right direction. What that means is that people are observing your progress, even though you might not be able to see the progress. Nobody criticizes losers. Nobody gets jealous of losers. Nobody talks shit on losers.
When you have shitheads in your life and people that aren't thinking about evolving and people that aren't, they haven't subscribed to the right energy. They haven't subscribed to the right direction in their life. They don't have their shit together. So you're constantly like dealing with conflict when you're around them. When you do that and you put yourself in those sort of situations, you will fuck yourself. That is an energy vampire.
Those I can't catch a break guys, get them the fuck away from me. I can't be around those guys. I don't want to hear that shit. I don't buy it. Because everybody has bad breaks. I've had a shit ton of bad breaks. But you know what I did? I stayed up and I thought through it. And I figured out what the fuck I did wrong. And then I went back. I fucked up everything I've ever done 100 times. But you got to realize when you have those shitty breaks what that is. It's an opportunity for you to reassess, reboot, get better, figure out another way, find another way through. This is just little challenges. And the people that look at those challenges and go, why do I always have these challenges? They're cancer. Those people are dangerous to be around. They will rob you of your enthusiasm. They don't give you any fuel. They're the opposite of fuel. Like the fuel people, the people that are out there just fucking hustling, always getting things done. My friend Jocko, every morning I'll check his Instagram page, 4:30, shows a picture of his watch, get after it. He's out there working out 4:30 in the morning. He does it every fucking morning. Why? Because he doesn't want to. And that's how you do it. You go and get after it. You don't make any excuses. And those kind of guys are fuel. But those I can't catch a break guys, they're the opposite of fuel. They're just pissing on your fire. After a while, even if they're your good friend, you got to be like, bro, you got to fucking stop. You got to stop with all this I can't catch a break bullshit. All the time you're complaining, you could be instead hustling. You could be instead chasing your dream. You could be instead figuring out what you're doing wrong, trying to improve certain aspects of your life, getting your shit together, reading a book, meditating, something. This I can't catch a break shit is not helping anybody, and it pushes everybody away from you.
People want to see the anger. That's what's cool now. It's not cool to be positive. It's not cool to be happy.
Do you think Michael Jordan leaves YouTube comments?
Do you know what it takes to do this right here? I'm going to tell you how I feel right in your comment section, Joe Rogan. You can kiss my... You know what that takes? What do you have going on that you have the time to just simply be that negative and do it in this world? I don't think people understand how valuable they can be if they use their time correctly.
I used to get really mad and get real angry, and that took energy. It took time away from the effective things that I do. That caused my life to get fucked up. That caused me to have extra stress that I wouldn't actually have. And I can tell you, every single one of these motherfuckers that talk shit, it never materialized into any real thing in real life. What matters is what you do. Being able to control what you do after people criticize you or say things that distract you. Instead of getting pulled over into the abyss, instead of getting all worked up for the next 2 days and building some sort of mental complex in your brain, you need to take the frustrated feelings and you need to go ahead and pour yourself into a positive direction of action. Are you gonna get sucked over here with them and get in their wish wash? Because those motherfuckers can be in the wish wash their whole life. That's not what you're here to do. What you are doing is basically using the negative energy that people give you and turning it into positive action. And every single motherfucker I know that wins does this. Every single one. Every single one. Look at it, observe it, recognize it, get fucking pissed. That's okay. But what do you do with it? That's what's gonna make or break you. If you wanna be successful, if you wanna win consistently, if you wanna be one of these motherfuckers that can look back and smile and be like, yeah, bitch, I told you so, this is what you're gonna have to learn how to do. You know how you get good at your job? You worry about your own fucking shit. You know how you get in good shape? You don't worry about how many reps the other motherfucker in the gym is doing. You worry about how many reps you're fucking doing. Far too many of you worry way too much about other people and not enough about your fucking selves. You're not following anybody else's lead. You're innovating a unique path of your own. And this goes for anybody working a job, building a career, building a fucking company. It doesn't matter. When you spend your energy focusing on what other people are doing instead of executing on your own opportunities, you are setting yourself up to fucking fail time and time and time again. I cannot explain this clear enough. The people who worry about other people in business always lose. The best they can ever be is second place. Worry about making your own shit good. Worry about improving your own model. Worry about improving your own shit.